All right, let's take a look at this example SAT problem. We have a system of linear equations, 3x minus 6y equals 12, and negative 2x plus 3y equals 6. Now the solution to a system of equations is where those two lines intersect. Okay, so we want to find that point. At some point, x comma y, and we want to know what the y value is. All right, so in Desmos, we're going to click in here. We're going to type in our first equation, 3x minus 6y equals 12. Okay, we see that green line there. In the second line, put the second equation, negative 2x plus 3y equals 6. Okay, you might need to zoom in or zoom out, move the graph left to right. Click your mouse button and drag over. Okay, you can center it there. Now click on one of the lines. You see this gray dot that shows up. Okay, you see the coordinate there. If you click that point, it stays on the screen. So our point is negative 24, negative 14. Remember, for a point, the x is first, y is second. So our value of y is negative 14. Okay, see how easy that is? You don't have to use the elimination method or substitution. Just put it in Desmos, graph them, and find out where they intersect. So now you know how to solve a system of linear equations using Desmos.